One local high school is trying to turn around a TikTok trend that's destroying bathrooms. The Devious Licks Challenge on TikTok encourages kids to steal and destroy things in their school bathrooms, from soap dispensers to even sinks. It's been happening at some schools around the valley. So, for CCSD's Week of Respect, Liberty High School students are doing the opposite. They're making hygiene product bins for bathrooms. The bins include things like tampons, deodorant, and sanitation wipes. The Student Council advisor says this is critical help for students in making them feel more comfortable at school. Students who help make the kits say they've already seen a positive response.
It can be very nerve-wracking thinking, oh, I forgot to put on deodorant, I forgot to brush my teeth. And it's, just nice to have mints, deodorant, chapstick, hand sanitizer, tissues, everything, just to know that at a place where you're welcome, especially at school.
The Student Council advisor says the students are encouraged to leave something in the bins if they can.